Hi everyone, my name's Chaz and I'm a Senior Customer Success Manager here at Ardoq. Today I'm going to give you a couple of quick tips to make the most out of Ardoq presentations. Presentations are a great way to expand your team's footprint and make your valuable Ardoq insights easily accessible for your stakeholders. So first up, recall that you can use presentations like your own personal bookmarks. If I've got a visual that I'm not quite finished with, or if I want to use this information and this data as kind of a jumping off point for other work in the future, I can add this as a presentation slide. And maybe I've actually got a collection of things that I'm just kind of tinkering with. This is just for my own future reference. If you go this route using presentations as bookmarks, just be sure to click on this Details tab and update the read permissions to only yourself. Another little time-saving tip for you is if you've got some visuals that you feel really good about and you know that you're going to want to use those in other contexts or in other presentations, you can actually click on this 3 dots, More Actions, and copy that slide to another existing presentation. It's just a way to save a few moments, shave a couple of minutes off your workday, anything we can do to save time. Am I right? Okay, these next 2 tips are actually pretty big. Use rich text in your slide descriptions. So in this example, I've got 2 slides that are the same visual, the same information, but you'll notice that in the first one, it's kind of a generic slide description. In the second one, I can actually level that up and just make it look a little bit more professional. This will help direct your users' attention and guide their experience. You can provide a little extra context or information, and it's really easy to do. In your slide description, you've got headings, bold and italics, bullet points and number lists, and even hyperlinks. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in helping your visuals really land with your stakeholders. And then lastly, and this is my biggest tip, meet your stakeholders where they're at. You can actually embed your Ardoq presentation directly onto a Confluence page or a SharePoint site using iframes. It's super easy to set up, and your users don't have to be created in Ardoq ahead of time. They'll either be seamlessly logged in or created as Ardoq users on the spot following your SSO defaults. You can also drop a couple of presentations onto the quick links of your Discover landing page. This is a great way to give users a little rundown of a topic or a slice of your repository before they dive in and start exploring for themselves. So that's a few pointers on presentations. If you need help troubleshooting, reach out to the in-out support chat. And if you have more questions or if you want to discuss potential uses for presentations at your org, reach out to your CSM.